At its site in Schiedam, the Netherlands, Boers & Co. Precision Solutions manufactures precision parts for complex mechanical applications. For years now, Boers & Co. has been operating flexible vertical lifts from Hänel to optimally support structured production processes. When planning a new building extension, managers included an additional Hänel intralogistics solution right from the start. 2 high-speed versions of the Hänel Lean-Lift are located centrally in the modern shipping department, where they store products and components that are ready for delivery. Both Hänel Lean-Lift systems have a second retrieval access point and serve as a bridge between the assembly area on the upper floor and the shipping department on the ground floor. The Hänel systems have a height of 8 meters to provide transparent and space-saving storage for finished products awaiting shipment. Components and small parts needed for assembly processes are also neatly stored in the lifts and made available to employees through the ERP system. The modern Hänel MP14N lift controller is linked up to the EpiCore ERP system via HänelSoft N. Job orders are set up in EpiCore and then sent to HänelSoft N. The user can start the job order directly on the touchscreen of the MP14N controller using the HänelSoft N interface. The Lean-Lift transports the requisite items to the access point at an ergonomic height. The routing is optimized to save time. Hänel Pico Light Vario uses a dot of light to identify items on the containers. The container layout is also shown on the controller display at the same time. All items picked for the order are put on a transport cart. The user confirms each completed pick directly on the controller. The Hänel Lean-Lift then automatically brings the next item to the access point for retrieval. Inventory data is automatically updated in EpiCore. Hänel's storage systems are well known for their high efficiency and maximum performance. All of the Hänel Lean-Lift systems at Boers & Co. are equipped with Hänel EcoDrive. A frequency converter integrated in the lift transforms the kinetic energy of the descending extractor into electrical energy, which is returned to the power supply system. Boers & Co. has relied on Hänel expertise for many years now. The company operates 2 other Hänel Lean-Lift systems located centrally in the production area to store cutting tools. Hänel multifunction containers allow for the neat and space-saving organization of hundreds of diverse tools. One of the lifts has a second access point at the back, which serves as a bridge between the production area and the tool maintenance department. In addition to outstanding reliability and effective tool organization, Boers & Co. also profits from the seamless link between the lift systems and EpiCore, which is supported by the easy-to-use Hänel MP14N controller and HänelSoft N.